Hi there, this is Fixed It. I've just set up this Raspberry Pi to use with this Wallabot device, and I had to use a Microsoft mouse and an Apple USB keyboard to do it. I've now taken them out and inserted this dongle for the Trust Wireless keyboard and mouse. As you can see, the mouse is working absolutely perfectly, and if I just type hello on this keyboard and we look up at the text window, we can see that it's working. So as you can see, the Trust Wireless keyboard and mouse work with the Raspberry Pi. This is a 3B. I haven't got any others to test it with. But first, of course, you need to set it up initially with the USB keyboard and mouse. But it works perfectly. I've had no problems with it at all. Saying that, let me just go up here and try a terminal. Okay, so the terminal's up. So just type ls. And that's working too, so it works. The mouse works and the keyboard also work with the terminal. I hope you find the video useful and check out my other money saving and other tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.